In this question, it is given that the statement P and negation Q implies P implies negation Q is. You have to find the correct choice. I will do this question by multiple ways. Before I do this question, I would like that you should know these formulas, that P implies Q is equivalent to negation P or Q, and negation of P or Q is equal to negation P and negation Q. Similarly, negation of P and Q is equal to negation of P or negation of Q. Actually, all these formulas are very simple. You must be knowing it, but still for clarity purpose, I have revised these formulas for you. And now using this formula, this statement can be written as P and negation Q implies negation P or negation Q. That is, P and negation Q implies negation of P and Q. And now again using this formula, this can be written as negation of P and negation Q or negation of P and Q. That is, I can say negation of P and negation Q and P and Q. This is equivalent to negation of P and negation Q and P and Q. That is, coming from here to here, I have used the formula alpha and beta and gamma is same as alpha and beta and gamma. Here I have taken this whole as alpha, this is beta, and this as gamma. This is equivalent to negation of P and negation Q and Q. This is equivalent to negation of P and negation Q and Q. And this is clearly fallacy. Therefore, it is negation of P and fallacy. We know that conjunction of fallacy with any statement is fallacy. Hence, it is negation of fallacy, and negation of fallacy is tautology. Hence, I can say second choice is correct choice. And now I will do this question with the help of truth table. Actually, I always avoid using the way of truth table because mostly this way is lengthy. But for clarity purpose, I am doing this question with the help of truth table also. You know that in the case of those compound statements in which two simple statements are involved, in the truth table of those compound statements, 4 rows comes, and we always start in this way. You must be knowing T T F F T F T F. Negation P will be obviously F F T T. Negation Q will be obviously F T F T. P and negation Q, that is conjunction of these two. We know that conjunction is true only when both are true, otherwise it is false. It will be false. It will be true, false, and false. P implies negation Q. This is false only if this is true and this is false. In this case, obviously it will be false, true, true, and true. You must be knowing it. Now, 1 implies 2. 1 implies 2. We know that this will be false only if 2 is false, 1 is true. 1 is true, 2 is false, is never. Therefore, it will be true, 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 true. Because 1 is true, 2 is false, is never happening. Therefore, all these cases will be true. And because the given statement was 1 implies 2, and here I have got all T, therefore I can say 1 implies 2 is a tautology. Still, for more clarity, let me complete other two columns also. You will find that this is the only correct choice. Agreed, in JEE Mains, only those questions come in which single choice is correct. This is false only if both are false, otherwise it is true. Both are false is here, therefore it will be F. In all others, I will be getting T. This will be false only if both are false, that is F here, T, T, T. Hence I can say that 1 implies 2, that is given statement, is a tautology. Hence I can say second choice is correct.